You've likely built your entire business on Google Workspace. It's the gold standard for email, docs, and storage. But as soon as you hire your third or fourth team member, you hit a wall. You might be wondering, where is the actual app to manage my team's to-dos? The reality is there isn't one. Google has left a specific gap where managing team to-dos should be, forcing you into some pretty difficult workarounds. Hi, I'm Ryan, and today I'm going to show you why those native methods are failing your team and the professional bridge that fixes it. Now, if you're looking for a native solution, most people start with Google Tasks. It's built right into your sidebar, it's fast, and it's free. It's perfect for individual productivity, checking off your own daily to-dos and syncing them to your calendar. But for teams, you usually end up in Google Sheets. You can build a custom tracker, color code your statuses, and share the link with everyone. It's a great way to create a central source of truth without spending extra money on software. Here's the problem. Google Workspace for Teams is fragmented. Your to-dos are either locked in a private island on Google Tasks, or they are buried in a passive spreadsheet. Google Tasks does not offer collaboration. There's no way to share your Google Tasks. If you're a manager, it's not a tool you can use to see what your team is working on and what they've completed. In Sheets, there is no real-time accountability. You have to manually check the sheet to see if a status changed. There's no notification system that tells a teammate they have a new priority, and there's no way to have a conversation about a to-do without starting another messy email thread. You aren't managing work, you're doing manual housekeeping. This is where GQueues comes in. It's the only team to-do list built specifically to be the team layer for Google Workspace. It replaces those manual workarounds with team queues, shared workspaces where every team member sees the exact same live list of tasks in the same order. Let's look at why this is better. Unlike a static cell in a spreadsheet, GQueues assignments are active. When I assign this to Alexander, he gets an instant notification and the to-do automatically appears on his personal queue and his Google Calendar. No manual emails, no did you see the sheet check-ins, and we solved the context gap. Instead of a 20-thread deep email chain, every task has its own dedicated comment section. You can keep the strategy, the questions, and the files from Drive all attached to the task itself. It creates a permanent paper trail that a spreadsheet just can't offer. One of the most powerful features for a growing team is the real-time two-way syncing with Google Calendar. In GQueues, when you set a date and time for a task, it doesn't just sit in a list, it instantly becomes an event on your calendar. Most tools just push data to your calendar, but this is a true two-way bridge. If you drag that task to a new time on your calendar because your schedule shifted, GQueues updates the deadline automatically. It turns your calendar into a living, breathing team map where you can actually see if your team has the bandwidth to get the work done. GQueues also has integrations with other Google Workspace apps you use every day, like Gmail, Google Docs, and more. They're convenient and familiar, and they allow you to focus more on your work and less on your to-do list. Now you can see how GQueues is the team to-do list built for Google Workspace. By moving away from disjointed lists and manual sheets, you give your team a professional home base that actually communicates with the rest of your Google apps. You stop managing the tools and start managing the results. Check the link in the description for a free trial of GQueues, and be sure to subscribe for more productivity tips.